when my father get the diagnosis cancer, he had a doctor. He was telling something very special to him, and that inspired me to. He directly understood, and he said, "Yes, we will do it. I know this is the truth." And we started to do it, and I was thinking like, oh, that is we don't need to follow methods or teachers. We need to follow our nature. That everything is inside. So, hello, my name is Anke Huerkamp, and I'm from Germany. I live in Dusseldorf, and yes, I live with my children and my husband here, and I'm an architect, but meanwhile I decided to focus on Zhineng Qigong. So my daily life is filled with family and with practicing Qigong, with teaching Qigong every morning with a class, meanwhile online class. And yes, I think life with Qigong inspired me, makes my life more happier, more relaxed and more clear. So yes, I'm happy to be here to talk to you, and would like to tell you my way of finding Qigong and how to practice. Yes. It wasn't Qigong, it was more the words of my father's doctor. Because when my father get the diagnosis cancer, he had a doctor. He was telling something very special to him, and that inspired me to start my journey to search what is important for my life. When my father gets cancer, he wanted to plan, or he was planning to build a house in South Africa. So I studied architecture, I finished my studying, and then he asked me if I could help him finalize this wish. And I said, yes, we will do. And then the doctor gave us this message. So it was a big change, and he was directly thinking, oh, what should I do now? And he asked the doctor, could you please tell me how much time do I have? Is it good to finalize the plans and to build the house? Will I have enough time then? Because that kind of cancer was very serious. And the doctor said, Mr. Huerkamp, I would like to tell you the truth. We are only doctors and we can give you some advices, but we can't heal you. But to be honest to you, you do have a strong mind, and you also have a wish deep in your heart. And when you follow your wish from your heart, then it will give you so much energy that you can heal yourself. And that was something, yes, that was something for me to think about, not only for his life, also for my life. He directly understood, and he said, yes, we will do it. I know this is the truth. And we started to do it. And I was thinking like, oh, this is something very important, to know what you really want from your heart. And the other thing is, it's important to have a strong mind. So do I have this? I was 30 years old and I was busy looking outside, focus outside on the expectations from outside, trying to make everybody happy. So I was thinking maybe it's time to think about this. Yes, it is. It is that we need to know that everything what we need is already inside of us. That we don't need to follow methods or teachers. We need to follow our nature. That everything is inside of us, and that we know that also with the children, when we see the children as our teachers, we can learn from them what it means to release, what it means to make our mind clear, that we have the connection to ourselves, that we can listen to what the heart is telling us. So everything it's about open. We need to open, and we need to decide to let the distracting thoughts go away. Don't focus on the distracting things. Just focus on the oneness, and then everything will happen naturally. And you don't need to know so much. You just need to understand with your heart and not to understand with your mind. I think this is a important thing.